We are going to be headed over to check out my buddy Nick's new car. Nick has also got that blue EM1 SI, which there will be a link to that video right in the description below you. He also used to have that really clean Z31 300ZX Turbo. There will be a link to that video in the description below you as well. But he's always had really neat cars, and he got a super cool car recently that I've never seen before in real life. I know what the car is, I've just never seen one before. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. He traded his 13B swapped Mazda B2200 rotary truck for this car. I think he got a killer deal. Hopefully I can convince him to let me drive it. Maybe not though, but we're gonna head on over and check out what he has got. Name it, I don't know.
Sleeper from the past.
Sleeper from the past.
That's a good little name.
Nick got his hands on a fucking Merkur XR4Ti.
It's under construction still.
Definitely under construction. He picked it up like this just really not long ago at all with this god-awful hood scoop. He's gonna make it right. Y'all don't need to worry about that. This thing is freaking... Woo! I've never seen one of these in person before, ever.
I've seen a few at car shows, but none driving. This one's actually, I'm actually the third owner of this.
Oh, third owner?
Third owner. It's only got like 60-something K on the odometer.
Well, we got that weird ass shift pattern. What the fucking 90s gruddy turbo timer just singing. Oh, this thing is so cool, bro. Has it got an exhaust leak or is it just loud?
Well, the exhaust is side exit off the
Oh yeah.
there. It's got JE pistons in it, 420 over. Got stock guaranteed turbo still on there, stock manifold, custom front mount, rebuilt head, floor match, front mount intercooler, all custom piping, all welded. Only a couple couplers there. That's it.
That's pretty awesome.
Turbo access, wall valve. I actually just ordered a new manifold for it.
Oh yeah.
Earlier, and I ordered a catback, Access Power catback for it.
Yeah.
That should be here in a few days, and then I'm probably gonna park it up and do something else with the body.
That hood scoop's got to go.
Yeah, that has to go.
That must have been when they had the top mount on it.
Yeah,
because it is functional, I could tell.
They did have an SVL top mount at one point.
I mean, that makes sense why they did it. Just fucking looks gaudy as shit. It sounds wicked. I think he's going rev it. Merkur. This thing's seen some shit, that's for sure. This thing is so fucking cool. Ford Racing. Well, shit. Whenever we get some more time, we'll have to take it for a drive.
I'm gonna idle real quick for a few minutes. Might take it for a spin real quick right now.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we'll take it for a run. Let this thing warm up real quick. All right. Yay. Oh, these seats are nice. Let me put on my safety device. Ooh, carbon fiber toggle switch.
Oh, this one.
Oh, there's more than one.
Yeah, it's got the harness too. The thing I hate about this is reverse gear.
Yes. Oh, it's that close? I just saw you go from reverse to first. That's
Yeah, it looks like it shouldn't be that close.
Oh, the turbo noises. Definitely fucking moves and it sounds amazing. You got no fucking speedometer too?
Nope.
That fucking blows.
Yeah, I gotta do a few things, man. I think I blew that vacuum hose off again.
Probably. Damn. She fucking boots, scoots, and boogies.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I blew that vacuum line off again.
Ah, it's fine. You'll be able to clamp that back on. Just one of those. Yeah. This thing is pretty fucking cool. Did the rest of the gauges work or no?
Just no. Only the gas and the fucking the temperature gauge.
Or at least the fucking gas gauge works.
Yeah, the temp gauge too. The fans are wired to it. It's got electric fans on it.
Yeah. Well, you guys are definitely going to have to keep following this because I don't think Nick's getting rid of this car anytime fucking soon.
Yeah.
This thing is fucking cool. This thing's pretty fucking sweet, man. Well, fuck yeah. So, I showed you guys Nick's new car. In the description below you there's a link to look at his Civic Si and his old 300ZX that he does not have anymore. You guys can check those cars out too.
GSX will be coming soon.
Yeah, he's also got a 91 big turbo Eclipse GSX that he's been building, and I've yet to do any videos on that, but that'll be coming soon too. So definitely make sure you guys fucking keep tuning here so you can see what is going on with the Merkur and the GSX and everything else. This thing's fucking awesome. Thank you, Nick, for taking me for a ride, buddy. And guys, make sure y'all have a good day.